Okay, hello. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a letter board. Okay, so that children can use their letters to make out their sound blend. So first you need to have scissors, marker pen, and a Ziploc bag and masking tape, one color paper and one A4 paper. Or if you have cards, you also can use cards. Okay. And then another one we need is a board. Okay, a board. If you have cereal box, you just cut out one board, is okay already. Right. You take a color paper. So this one can be any color paper. Need is A4 paper. This is for the letters. Three-quarters, so it's like this. Maybe mommy can help to measure a bit. Okay, so it's this one, 3/4, and then press it hard. So many lines. It's okay. You can ask your children to cut out the lines. Okay, so they have one strip, one strip, one strip, like this. So when you cut out, you have all these strips. We only need 6 strips first. So another 6 strips you keep for the next group of letters. Okay, right. So now when you have these 6 strips, you need to write down the letters. So make sure it is this one. Mommy can help. So because we need proper letters for children to do the sound blending. So all of the paper fold half so you can have the lines. Okay, this is to make sure that they are on the same size of letter, same length. Okay. Now we are going to write down the letters. Follow the workbook. Write it a bit big. When you write, maybe you can ask, oh, baby, what is the sound of this letter? F. See, almost all of them are the same size. Okay. E. Okay. These are the 6 letters for group 1 that we learned for the first month. And now come to the boards. Just now we have folded this green paper. For this one, you match looking downwards. Okay, this is the top one. So we just use the masking tape. Tape one. Ask your child to help you hold the paper so that you can help to stick on. Just ask your child to do some help. And both 2 sides also. Alright, so we are done. So during the class, I will ask children to sound out like that. You can practice with your child. So you put in set. Okay, during the class, I will ask children to practice using these boards. Okay, here we go. So every time when we finish class or when we want to keep, we put it all together. If you have Ziploc bag or you have a container to keep, just keep inside so that you won't lose it, and we can always use it again and again. Alright, so this is your letter board. Thank you.